Buenos noches, mi amigos. This is still AmaFans Way to TV. Sigo siendo tu hombre, Kamza the Sport, and we are yet coming with an in-studio discussion. As you do know, that Bafana Bafana is based in Pachuca, and with being Spanish being the prominent language in Mexico, I needed to throw in a bit of Spanish this thing. But right now, we're looking at all things possible starting line-up for the team. As you do know, that they're about to take onto the field of play to face against Mexico. And as Penom, I do have my hombres, Bomodao, Brache, as well as Lavas. Hola, mi amigos.
Hola.
Nekrend.
I'm not.
Buffet, it is that time. The game is about to kick off. Time difference. So let's just keep the conversation light and let's look at the possible line-up that Coach Hugo Bruce, can line his things and then Amachi Talapa to take to the field of play against Mexico. Lovers, we want to join in terms of the lineup. Are you expecting any changes or is it business as usual?
Not shying away. Hola.
Hola.
To AmaFans Way to supporters, people who follow the channel. I'm greeting you guys. Not shying away from the fact that football is played 90 minutes.
Yeah.
The first half and the second half. So now I will be specific on the first half because I don't know what's going to happen on the second half. I mean, people can get tired. We never know. But I think for us, the starting 11, experience is needed. The reason experience is needed is because the confidence will be there. So, Ronza, I don't like myself for saying this, but no, definitely Ronza needs to be part of this.
Why?
Ronza concedes every game. That's my biggest concern. Yeah, but no, I think Ronza has to be there as our goalkeeper. Obviously, left back, Aubrey Modiba.
Yeah,
right back.
Tiba.
Right back, ufuna VIP, Stefan Abantu, Khuliso Modao.
Yeah.
And then centre backs is a bit difficult when it comes to my centre back. Yeah. But I would bring in, a comfortable pairing of people who understood each other and who actually communicated very much well when they were still at the club level. And that's UTLB, no Potlel.
Yeah.
That's how I would pay it. Just to also have, sometimes having the confidence, the club level confidence, and the combination, those combinations sometimes are needed. And then when we go to our engine room, obviously, Mrambula, Devza has to be there, whether injured or not, bandage or not. He has to be there. And then what I would do, which is tricky, I would take Uyaya Stoll and bring him as a central defensive midfield.
Okay.
Reason being is because you have a player like Aubrey Modiba who likes to overlap. So when you have an Aubrey Modiba overlaps because of his speed, because of and he's a set piece threat also, Aubrey Modiba. Then you have a Yaya Stoll who can do what? Just sit back and let it to cover Amachit at the back. So that's how I would bring him in. And then I love William Fukem, but I think as a number 10 for the first half, Nglethi Grootman for experience. And that's Umshish, the great Shikabala.
Yeah.
As much as we know Shikabala cannot play a full 90 minutes, but I would bring him, to unlock the defense. Mexico, that experience, it will be great for us. And then obviously I will bring in Tsapa Moremi, as your left winger, and then bring in Apolis as your right winger. One thing I love about those boys is that the communication between the two of them is that if you put your focus on one of them on a certain position they are playing, when you lift up your eyes, different positions. That's how perfect they are. But that's what I love about them. And obviously, to be honest, my number 9, I would strictly give it to Ishram Reynas. Is it correct? His name?
Ikram.
Yes. Ikram Reynas. One thing about Reynas, give him the supply, he will give you the goals. So I would rather start him over Lyle Foster and over Evidence Mahob. I would start Reynas. At least give us 3 goals in first half, 2-3 goals in even though it's not going to be that easy.
Yeah.
If he gets the proper supplies, can give us the goals. Then second half, Hugo Bros can come. And when you score insurance goals, give us the first 2-3 goals, and then second half, allow the boys to enjoy themselves. That's when you bring in Abu Relebule Mfuke, to enjoy themselves. We've made it to the big stage. But for me, that's my starting 11. Ronza, Mudiba, Modao, Sibisi, Mbogas, Yaya Stole, Mrembula, Tembazwane, Apolis, Moremi, Renas.
You have heard the starting 11. Egal lovers, I don't know if you have any objections. Let's keep the conversation going on the comment section. Prache, you've heard from Mulavas. I don't know if you've got, you agree or you have any objections pertaining to the starting 11. Or you can just give us your whole spectrum of your starting 11.
Remember, we should also take into cognizance that Hugo Bros has taken 11 defenders into the World Cup. So we don't know what is the rationale behind that. We might be sitting here planning and even identifying people that we think they should be starting Bomda. But the coach, obviously, by taking 11 defenders, it means he does have something in his mind. Perhaps South Africa is going to play a low block against Mexico or a mid block against Mexico. Nobody knows, because if you take 11 defenders, then you are telling us something that I want to go there and defend. So I'll agree with you, but I'll say my number 10. I'll introduce Rile first half, and you know why I'm saying Rile. The confidence is very high. As things stands, this boy has just taken the championship of South Africa, the league. So the confidence is very high, including the confidence of those players that they are playing for Mamelodi Sundowns. The confidence is too high as well, because they've just won the continental competition. So I'll say good number 10 as opposed to Uputi Grootman. Let's start Morile. And maybe the Grootman come in second half after 65 minutes. Because we have seen also Guti in the few games that he played for Sundowns, the legs were no longer there. So let's not expose him that much. Let's because Muntu so as him protecting him second half 65 minutes, we introduce him. So that one locker then there and we can get goals. Ikram Reyners as a number 9, I fully agree. Ikram Reyners is he's aggressive and he's fearless. Ikram Reyners is fearless. So I'll say let's introduce him ahead of Foster. I know good to coach Tando Foster. It's a coach favorite.
Same applies with Nico Mobi.
And the time Nico had South Africans hey Foster atipa 1 goal. Just like he did Jamaica.
Yeah, he scored against the Jamaica.
There was a confusion with the police scored, but we saw now the records. Actually Munto or first. So I'll say Talango Ikram Reyners, but second half introduce Mahopa. Agombeke ulona uFosla ebenchini kancane adlama eyes abukela igame uqale ngoMahopa second half ufaka uMahopa nakhona uMahopa umfaka bo 65 then introduce Mahopa. But I think line up the way we benga khona at the back there, because the best way to win is to solidify your defense. So Lamachite Sundowns there, they are used to each other. I'm comfortable with them. They are also comfortable on the ball. TLB equally comfortable. Ingwenya yethu ke usibisi akekho comfortable kangako. But we're taking solace to the fact that he played Nombogazi, so he might be able to communicate better. So I think in that back 4, I'll stick to that. I'm shocked Uguti we went to the World Cup game with 4 middle fielders. It's a concerning issue. You do have players like your Mabue that are currently on form. I believe those are the players that we're supposed to hold. So that when we lose knowing that we have taken all our guns. Go painful to lose. Here, if we introduce, but it will be too late because the boy will be at home. So those are the players that I felt Guti maybe they should have been in the picture. In the goalkeeping department as well, if we were to say performance, if we were to judge players based on the performance, there's no way that you can go there without Brendan Peterson. Let's be honest. And also maybe to crack the ice there. You see these teams 1, 2, 3. You have taken 8 from number 1 or 9 from number 1. You have taken 6 or 7 from number 1. It's only fair to go 3 in a corner. Maybe you take 3 players or 4. Because Abunga Moshanga next. But then considering the manner in which our coach does his things, you will never know ukuthi ucabangeni. Uzahlala kushaya ngama-surprise. And sometimes these surprises do work. You know? And I know we're a bit harsh towards him. But we should also consider the fact that we went to Russia 2018, we couldn't qualify. Qatar 2022, we couldn't qualify. And right now we qualified. Usiza ukuthi qualify go AFCON. But subsequent to that, we also saw ourselves now qualifying for a World Cup. So a credit of some sort needs to be taken. But I believe Ugutim, he has also, understood that South Africans maybe were not united. And you know why I will say you are not united? Just a few days ago, we saw Americans calling us Lamtutus.
Yeah.
So that is an indication that Mara South Africans are not united, because even people from America will just but they called all of us Lamtutus, and I said, yeah, but this is informed by the fact that as South African fans were not united, because right there we're supposed to rebuke and say, hey, nay, who are you calling Lamtutu? We know good asas good Uba no Lamtutu, but we shouldn't allow a situation where South Africans are going to be called Lamtutu. So we're totally against that, and we're not even there. But I'm saying because we're not united, foreign tendencies will always chip and divide us further. We have also seen Mudau, the goalkeeper, the legend goalkeeper that I love so much, Itumeleng Khune, saying no. But when Bafana was playing Orlando, Zwane wanted to take the penalty, and Pirates supporters booed Zwane. And Zwane decided that, hey, it's in Fosler missed, and Pirates fans still went on. They booed Fosler as well. But I'm saying, legend, how do you then identify people that are wearing Bafana regalia, that these ones belongs to Pirates? So we're divided in a country. Don't further divide us. Maybe as a legend, when you are given such a platform, try to mend, because you know that we're bleeding as the country. Certain fans are saying, hey, we are not supporting. So Zama unite abantu so that when we play into these games, at least you know that the country is rallying behind our boys. But the lineup that you have just said to me is correct, except for those 2 changes that I've mentioned.
Bomdao, wrap it up for us. Are you sharing the same sentiments?
Yeah, for me, there'll be little bit changes. So for me, obviously, Ronza will be Captain of Fanafan. It's number 1. He's the captain. And then on the right, Mudau. There's the best right back.
Mchanawa.
Yeah, Mchanawa.
No, it makes sense now.
The best right back. And I'm afraid of obvious after this World Cup, he can't come back to South Africa. Because there he's going to expose, he's going to shine there.
Yeah.
So on the left, and also Mudiva. Mudiva, when they go there, he was limping.
Yeah.
But now it's going to be, he'll be back on the first game. He'll be back on the right back, on the left back. And then on the pairing for Mbokazi obviously will be there. And then I'll go with Lavas. I'll pay with CBs. Because remember when Mbokazi and CBC, when they're still together at the parents, they were not conceding because they understand each other. So that continuity, I'll keep it up. In the middle of the park, you know that when the stadium is full packed or sold out, you're going to see the best of Tibo Mokoena, Mrembola. He speaks himself that no, pack up the stadium, you'll see the magic. Definitely is going to start. And we're going to see the best of him. also him are going to miss him when he come back. And then also we have to not shy away. We have to give this boy a chance to show the world that he's ready to go out. I'll put Mrembula, number 10. I'll put just number 10. Of President number 2K.
Yeah.
Full packed stadium. Is we're going to see also the best of him. And then also to assist if these boys they're going. Or Mumdao, they're going to assist. And also on that one for Mumdao, on the wing, now we'll put Sibelebele. So that when Mumdao is go, Sibelebele can cover. Because you know where Mumdao is going. Mumjiba, they are going. So they need someone to straight back. Then I'll put Sibelebele. On the other side, I'll put Mrem. Then maybe our police will come maybe second half. But the striking force, the junk himself. Lil Foster. The junk himself. Yeah, that one, showing the pulse. So that time when you write him off, he surprise you. It's been long. We criticize him, he's not scoring, but when we need him the most, the race is the end. Then under that one, we should come back at the second half. They can come back to cool up the game after we score 2-0. Then to hold the ball, not rushing. It's where you want to cool off. So Bafana, all the best. We're really behind you. Yeah.
You have heard from the gentlemen sharing their thoughts with regards to the starting 11. I mean, Lovers has his own, Prache tweaked here and there, as well as Bumodao. What say you? Share your starting 11 in the comment section. But at the end of the day, we are just predicting all in the name of a conversation. But we do know that at the end of the day, we just need to put our trust on head coach Hugo Bruce, together with the boys, that they will deliver the desired results that we want. Hopefully, we will definitely get that win against Mexico. But yeah, that's how we wrap it up right here. Muchas gracias for engaging with us in this conversation. But from myself, together with the gentlemen, as well as every gentleman behind the scenes, adios, amigos, muchachos.
Oi, oi.